In this video, I will explain you the effect of VAT on prepayments received. Prepayments are the amount received from the customers in advance before the goods are delivered or services are rendered. This can be done with the basis as customer order or can be without any basis. To generate prepayments on customer order, you will need to record a receipt document, that is cash or bank receipt, using the option generate and choosing the required document, that is go to sales module, open a customer order, any existing customer order, go to generate option and choose the document of cash receipt or bank receipt. You can also create the advance document using the money module. Let me show you one receipt of advance amount using bank receipt documents from money module. Open bank receipt documents. You'll find the list of bank receipt documents over here. To create one, click on create option. Add the required data in the fields available. Let's start with the main tab. Fill the customer bank account. Keep the transaction type as from customer. Choose the entity. In the cash flow item field, specify the cash flow item associated with this customer payment to analyze the cash flows. In the basis field, you can add the basis document from the list of customer orders if available. In case of advance and without any basis document, you can keep this field empty. The bank account field shows the default bank account of the selected entity. However, you can select another bank account if needed. In the amount field, specify the total amount received from the customer. In the taxation field, select VAT applied. Once the main tab is filled, move to the payment details tab. Select yes for the advance option. Add the contract. In the accounts amount, show the amount that will be received from the customer. If the rate is changed, the amount is recalculated in the accounts amount field. Once advance is selected here, emirate field will be available in the main tab. By default, the field should be populated with the emirate selected for the entity, or you can change as per the transaction. In the additional information tab, add the in-doc number and any additional transaction remark if required to provide more details about this entry. After filling out all the tabs, click Post to register the transaction. You will need to record tax invoice document based on the first document created in the database, that is out of invoice and advance payment receipt document. Once the advance document is posted, Generate Tax option is available at the bottom of this form. You can click on that or use the Generate option in the document to create a tax invoice document. I will click on this option. The number will be auto-generated with the date of the issuing. To see the effect of VAT from prepayments, open a tax invoice, go to Print option, and choose either of the details print form, that is tax invoice landscape or tax invoice portrait. You can see the tax invoice will show the value of advance as total of advance received. The tax invoice generated from invoice will show the value of advances separately and balances separately once you link the advance payment in the invoice document. Let me show you an example. Let's create an invoice or open an existing invoice to offset the value of advance. Go to the invoice, use the option prepayments to offset the balance, double click the bank payment and click OK. Once the prepayment document is added, click on post. All the changes will be transferred to the tax invoice automatically after posting this document. Let's go to the document of tax invoice. Take a print of tax invoice landscape. You can see the prepayments created will be recorded separately here and the balance will be shown as total excluding received advance payment. You will need to provide two tax invoice documents, that is the tax invoice created on the basis of advance amount and the tax invoice which is recorded after offsetting the prepayments. It is very useful for the case where prepayments are not done in full. Thank you for watching the video.